friends, welcome back. Today we are in an Icon VR, heavily modified and restored vintage Ford Bronco. Specifically, this one's a 1966. It is Icon production Bronco unit number 55. Purists rejoice. Well, I don't know if purists rejoice in anything I do, but at least manual transmission people rejoice. Running a 5-speed. Beautiful dark gray finish. Has really nice character, really good deep shine. Mechanically, we are running the 5-liter Mustang GT Coyote 5.0. For exhaust, this truck, of course, is running our usual food-grade, TIG-welded, mandrel bent stainless steel exhaust system. This has additionally the optional black ceramic coating upon it. Transmission, as briefly mentioned, is the Asen Warner AX15 5-speed. Great tranny. Really surprised. I find it to be really underused in the custom car building community. Transfer case then is the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. You'll notice the twin sticks do allow you individual control over the front and rear axles, and they also do not allow you to do anything catastrophically stupid, such as try and put the front axle in high and the rear axle in low. Complementing the off-road capability, you have the ARB locking differentials with a dedicated air compressor. As you notice, it is not stuffed in the engine bay. It's a wee bit crowded in there. So we fit it midship on the chassis, high up on one of the cross ladder bars. Axles, Dana 60 Pro Rock high pinion in the rear, expertly built by Dynatrack, and in the 44 Dana front with fine spline axles and all possible upgrades, brand new down to the castings. We're running the Icon Sport brakes developed by our dear friends at Brembo. I love having massive brakes. I'm sure you can relate. Those brakes are Hydro Boost powered. For suspension, we are running the tunable fast and low speed tunable nitrogen charge with remote canister shocks with Ibach coils developed with our buddies at Fox Racing. Specific architecture would be radius arm front and 4-link in the rear, and of course you have tunable sway bars front and rear. On the exterior trim, of course, we have the Icon front bull bar that subtly integrates the Warren 9.5 winch with synthetic lead and all Viking gear. That comes with a gear bag, which is full of all the best goodies you might need on the trail. We're running the aux reverse light in the rear, again integrated into the Icon dual pivot bumper system, and you'll notice the reverse camera tucked back there as well. Of course, we have our CNC stainless steel rear view mirrors, CNC stainless exterior door handles and badges, our unique billet front grille assemblage, and our laser cut 2-layer stainless steel insert on the tail gate. We're running no Ranger trim. This truck has a very nice and clean stealth exterior. We have laminated glass, but the tint is within the laminate. It is not a film, and that pretty much covers the exterior. Moving on to the inside, the Chilowich textile that we've been running now for many years. That Chilowich is flanked in OEM Mercedes vinyl and a dark charcoal. On the floors, of course, as usual, you'll also find that Chilowich, as you will on the door panel inserts. This truck is fairly old school in theme. Well, it's a new school design package with the client's interest. He stayed away from power windows, power door locks, stuff like that. We did do the optional tuck and tumble rear bench seat. For audio, we did the 8100 NEX Pioneer with our higher end Focal K2 speakers with amp and bass. Gauges, the usual fare from our partners at Dakota Digital, designed by my team, but using their established circuit board and layout. Full AC, heat vent, defrost, blah, blah, blah. Of course, you know we did that. Oh, another unique thing on these door panels, the armrests are unique to 66 as well. The updated Icon center console. I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna fathom a guess that y'all have watched my videos before, so that's probably enough details. As always, cannot thank you enough for caring about what we do and for supporting it. Well, it is for all of you except for that one guy who keeps thumbs downing every single video, like within an hour of launch. Come on, dude, give me some feedback. What is it that's worthy of a thumbs down? Maybe it's my ego. Maybe it's my curiosity. I just gotta know. So give me a comment with your thumbs down next time. Let the community know who you are and why you don't like it. Whatever. Any questions, please reach out. Good old-fashioned telephone, 818-280-3333. Website, icon4x4.com. Social media, Instagram, Facebook, icon4x4. That's all I got for you. Be well to others. Thanks again.